Alright, this is the second video to me trying to start my truck up. I don't know if it will or not. First one it tried, it fired, and then it died real quick. I'm gonna see if she'll give it anything, see if I got anything in it. Oh, no. It's a problem with doing this with a laptop. This is sitting on a really sketchy wood pile. It's alive! I don't know how long it's been since it started, but it's alive! Alright, I'm gonna shut it down in a minute. So we're just gonna rev it up and shut it down to see how I can hear it again. Alright, well, I told you to do one cold start. It's going to be a little longer video than I wanted, but it's alright.